Hello and welcome everyone. Let's try to work on for unboxing a brand new Dell Optiplex Micro small machine. So let's get started by unboxing the screen for the computer device. Please make sure that you try to open the box in an upside position. Once it gets unboxed, you're going to find out an HDMI cable, a stand precisely to hold the screen, some manuals, a power cable, a base stand, and a back stand. So when all of these things are available, make sure that you open it and you will be able to see the first screen in here inside this cover. So at the first stage, try to take out the smaller cover for the backlit. Fix it at its position. Then go ahead and open the base stand from this cover. You're going to get an article like this. Try to go ahead and take out the squared stand from this packet. And now you'll see that this is how it looks like. Remember that the edge for this has to be placed in this manner so that this area faces towards the screen. Now remember, you don't need to push really hard on it. It's an auto lock facility, so it gets in and it gets locked. What you have to do is turn towards the back side and push in the screws to get it connected properly. So once it's tightened, you don't need to worry about, and this is how it is very firmly connected. Remember, you have to insert these two edges inside the monitor screen now. So here it goes. Pull out the monitor a little, and this is the screen that has to be inserted from this side into the shaft. Once it is inserted, please make sure that there is a screw that has to be firmly tightened. Perfect. Now once it is done, you can safely take out the screen. Please make sure that the screen is placed in a vertical position, and you can wrap up the rest of the articles. All right, so you have the screen ready and you can place it in front of your machine. So this is the first unboxing of the screen and assembling. All you have to do is take out the HDMI cable, insert it into the HDMI socket, and plug into the power cable inside the power socket at your power inputs. We're going to do it in the next upcoming steps, but before moving ahead further, let's try to unbox the desktop itself. So here I have the desktop box, which comes packed. All you have to do is unbox it out. You're going to find one keyboard. You're going to unbox it further. You will have the Dell Optiplex Micro CPU inside, which is a really small and a cute machine. So you're going to place it down. You're going to further have a mouse for the machine itself. You're going to break it and take it out. You can unwrap the whole mouse setup itself. Great. Now you can connect the mouse as per your choice in either of the USB panels, towards the back or towards the front. I recommend it to the front. You're going to find a power cable and an adapter to give the power to the CPU. So let's try to unwrap it out. It's unwrapped. And with this, you're going to have a power adapter as well. Remember, this adapter works the best with the original cable that comes with the packing. So don't connect it with any other normal cable, just in case. If you are familiar with this point of sockets, try to connect the sockets along with the cable. That's it. And here is the charger pin that you need to connect to the desktop body. So now all you have to do is push in the pin charger towards the back side of this desktop, and here it goes. So now your charger is connected. Makes your life easy. And then here is the power cable. All right, so let me remove these packets all the ways. So I have an HDMI cable that has to be connected within the CPU. That means at the back side. And this cable to be placed at the monitor end. And the power cable is ready to be placed in as such. There's a keyboard also that I have received with the box. I'm going to unbox it out. Open the edges. That's a brand new keyboard. And it comes firmly tied up. Sign of science good, seems good. So I'm not going to open it right now. I'm going to connect it back to my USB ports. So all the arrangements are ready. I have a keyboard placed in. I have a mouse plugged in. I do have a power cable. Everything is connected. Sounds great. And I have to give them power. So we will try to go ahead with the further installation in the next upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time.